In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete your Alibaba account. So first of all, open any VPN. Then select Taiwan and connect. Go to mobile home screen and open Alibaba.com. Then tap on My Alibaba, which is below. After that, go to Setting, which is top right, and click on Delete Account. Once you deactivate account, your account information will no longer be accessible. 1. Your information on Alibaba.com will be permanently deleted. You cannot undo the action. 2. Your data on Alibaba.com will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to issue refunds. 3. You will lose access to member benefits, coupons, vouchers, and rewards. Points will be expired. Click on Delete Account. Scroll down. The request to delete your account is final and cannot be undone. Please consider carefully before proceeding. This operation may invalidate other requests you could have applied for. Before deleting your account, we will evaluate the status of your account. We will carefully review your deletion request, including taking into account whether deleting your existing orders on Alibaba.com may affect your legitimate rights and interests or legal obligations that you need to comply with. Click on Delete Account. Account deletion checking processing. Please wait. When you click Delete, we will delete anonymize your personal data saved on Alibaba.com. It will not be possible to recover your personal data. Please confirm that you understand and agree to assume all the consequences and legal liabilities that may be caused by the deletion anonymization operation. If you have made other requests regarding your personal data, please consider to request to delete your account after those other requests have been completed. Once you submit an account deletion request, Alibaba.com will not be able to satisfy your other requests. Here, enter delete. Click on Delete Account. The process to delete your account has started, and your account will be soon no longer accessible. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.